recording experiment for Unix and Linux lab. So this experiment is about file operations. Let's see the first question. The first question is to write a shell script to find the frequency of occurrence of an alphabet in the content of the given file type, file name. So let's see the code. This is my code for the particular question. So here, here we have we first asked them to enter a file name and then we did a character which is to be read, which is to be counted. So this is the command to read the number of occurrence of a character. So what happens is here graph will fetch all the lines that has that particular character on it and will count the number of lines. So see the output. Let's say try one dot txt. Let me try to count C. So there are 4 occurrences of try1.txt of C in try1.txt. Now let's look at the second question. The second question is asked to write a shell script that gives a person's UID, tell you how many times that person is logged in. So yeah, let's look at the code first. Yeah, this is my code for that. So first we just take the UID as the name, as the input. Later you just have to use this command, and if a command is being assigned to some variable, you have to put them inside the till operator, and then in the end I echo it. So let's see the output. So yeah. So I'm gonna give my own username C8042. It says I have logged in one time, and yeah, let's see the next code. So the third question is to write a shell script that takes the UID as an argument and prints out that person's name, home script, shell, and group number. Prints out the name of the group corresponding to the group number and the other groups that a person may belong to. So let's see the code. So this is my program for that question, and here I have the first use the cat keyword to catenate and print the file and fetch all the data in the first column. So there is a delimiter here. The column is a delimiter. That's how the columns are separated in this file. So that will print all the uses that are available to us. Then we ask the user to enter the name of the user you want to print the information off. So once that is done, we grab all the information related to that particular user that was entered in this file, etc//wd, and we fetch each column just related to the information we are taking. So let's see. Now these are the names of all the available users. So let's say I want to see that of the root user. Here I am displayed the username of root user is root operator, password is X, and user ID is 0. Group ID is 0. The directory is /root, and the shell name is /bin/bash/bin. Yeah, that is all. Now let's look at the next question. The next question is asking us to print whether a given particular user is using the system or not, and if he is, then his sudo terminal number and his IP username. Now let's see the code for that question. So this is my code here. I'm going to print my details about my own IP. So C will have my own IP and information about me, and based on that I fetch like my username, terminal, the serious terminal, the date and time I accessed, and the IP address. So let's see. When I run this, you can see this is my user ID, like my username, that's my registration number, and the terminal, that is a pseudo terminal number. So here it is PTS/232. The time of login, the date of login, the time of login, and the IP address. Now let's go to the next question. The next question is to addition a script to print a number of occurrence of a given word within a file etc/password. So this is my code for that. So here I get the name of the file, and then I get the name, the variable that I want to search for. So here let's try compiling the code. So here the file name is etc/passwd, and I'm going to search for the string, the word name var. So let's see the output for that. Yeah, the word var has occurred 12 times in the file. So that is all. Thank you.